Optical center, a point on the principal axis at the center of a lens. Ohm's law: the current passing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference applied across its ends, provided the temperature and physical state of the conductor do not change. Parallel circuit, a circuit in which voltage remains the same across each resistor. Periodic motion, the regular motion of a body which repeats itself in equal intervals of time. Pitch, the characteristics of sound by which a shrill sound can be distinguished from a grave one. Pole, the midpoint of the aperture of the spherical mirror. Power of accommodation, the ability of the eye to change the focal length of its lens so as to form clear image of an object on its retina. Principal axis, the straight line passing through the pole and the center of curvature of a spherical mirror. Principal focus, a point on the principal axis off mirror lens where a beam of light parallel to the principal axis converges to or appears to diverge after reflection from the spherical mirror lens. Prism, a transparent triangular piece of glass with at least two polished plane faces inclined towards each other from which light is reflected or refracted.